We stand at the gates of India's first integrated steel plant, the Jamshedpur works of Tata Steel. At our Jamshedpur facility, we live the journey of steel making every day, and we want you to be part of this experience. The principal raw materials for steel making are iron ore and coal. Both iron ore and some portion of coal are fed to the works through Tata Steel's mines and collieries. We source raw material responsibly and optimize its use by maximizing yield, minimizing waste, and ensuring the reuse of byproducts. Conveyor belts carry coke, sinter and iron ore fines to the 6 blast furnaces. Here the iron is smelted by blasting hot air and gases through the raw materials in the furnace. The iron ore turns into a glowing hot liquid iron at 1500 degrees Celsius. After draining impure slag, molten hot metal is tapped from the furnaces and transported by torpedo ladles to the LD converters. The next process is steel making, followed by casting of liquid steel into billets or slabs. Our LD casters make steel which is continuously cast into billets, which are used to manufacture long products, while slabs are for manufacturing flat products. The billets are supplied to downstream long product finishing mills, including wire rod mill and new bar mill and merchant mill. All 3 mills together produce nearly 3.2 out of 9.67 MTPA of saleable steel at the Jamshedpur facility. Reheated slabs are fed into the roughing mill and rolled out to produce thinner hot-rolled strips at the hot strip mill. These strips are coiled in the intermediary downcoiler. The coiled strip is then further rolled and rapidly cooled, passing on to run-out tables. The thin strip is then rolled into finished hot-rolled coils and dispatched to the cold rolling mill for further downstream value addition. The hot-rolled coil is cleaned and annealed to make it more malleable or ductile. The thickness of the strip is further reduced by cold rolling. At the skin pass mill, the coils are lightly rolled to improve the texture and surface finish. The cold rolled coils are now smoother, shinier and have a flawless surface finish. Further downstream, value addition is done by zinc galvanizing to provide a corrosion-free surface. The steel produced from this process is of high quality and has applications across automotive, white goods and construction segments. Further value addition for the automotive segment is done at JCAP CPL. The high-strength steel produced at JCAP CPL contributes towards passenger safety by absorbing crash energy during impact and also towards lightweighting, which reduces fuel consumption and supports a cleaner environment. Our team is continuously looking for ways to improve the process of steel making and finishing. With a firm belief in innovation and best practices, our journey has just begun, and our resolve is stronger than steel.